The lathe is a machine tool which spins a block of material to perform various operations such as cutting, sanding, or shaping. Tools are applied to the surface of the spinning material to create an object that has symmetry along its axis of rotation.
When setting up the lathe, when turning between centers, snug the tailstock center against the workpiece and lock it. Also remember to tighten all clamp locking handles before operating. The tool rest should be set 1/8 of an inch away from the stock, and right at or slightly below the center line of the stock. This adjustment will have to be checked occasionally during turning. Rotate the workpiece by hand to check clearance before turning the machine on. When turning, hold the lathe tools against the tool rest securely and with both hands. Move the cutting tool into the workpiece slowly and cut small amounts when roughing. Before operating the lathe, clear the lathe bed of all objects. All adjustments on the lathe should be made when the lathe is stopped. Before sanding or polishing your workpiece, remove the tool rest. Never touch the rotating workpiece with the tool rest mounted. Before turning on the wood lathe, be sure to examine the workpiece for flaws before mounting the workpiece on the machine. Do not mount a split workpiece or one containing a knot. When faceplate turning, securely fasten the workpiece to the faceplate. Be sure to use the appropriate size faceplate to properly support the workpiece. Do not let the screw fasteners interfere with the turning tool at the finished thickness.